Hey guys, today I'm going to be doing a video updating you on my two dogs. A video like this because anytime I upload a video with my dogs in it, a lot of you guys go nuts and are absolutely in love with my dogs. So I'm just going to go ahead and keep it going for you guys. So I'm going to update you on both my dogs. I have two Boston Terriers. I'm going to do them one at a time because having them right here all at once is probably not going to work out too well. So since we have this little one already over here by me, I'm going to start off with her. So this is Indy. She is a Boston Terrier and she's blue, gray, whatever you want to call it. She is brindle, so she does have like spots on her. She's basically gray and blonde. So Indy is 1 year and 4 or 5 months old. She is the sweetest dog I have ever met. She's super sweet. She kisses on command. She listens really well. She's actually a really good listener, but she does have like a sassy side to her. If she feels like she's not getting enough attention, she will straight up just start slapping you until you pet her. It's not like excessive. She doesn't do it all the time. I actually kind of think it's cute when she does it. She'll also bark if she feels like she's not getting enough attention. She has an internal clock set to where she knows exactly when it's time for her to eat. So she kind of lets me know when she wants her food. Ever since we got her, she's been doing this thing where she's really awkward when it comes to being held. She'll do this thing where she takes her stuffed animals and kind of chews on the face of it. And she just does it every single day. So we kind of were like, what's going on? Like, why does she do this? So I googled it and it said that it's like a habit that they form when they're taken off of their mother's milk too early, I guess. So she will use the nose of the stuffed animal as if it's like a nipple, and she will like massage it like a cat would with her paws and just kind of chew on it. And I think it's really cute. It is kind of like, it's nothing to worry about. It said online if she does it excessively, then yeah, but she only does it like 1 or 2 times a day, and that's just how she kind of puts herself to sleep. So that's Indy. I have an older male Boston and she loves to wrestle him, bite him. They play together constantly, like they're best friends. They will groom each other, chase each other. They do everything together. So I think it's really cool. My male is actually 3 years old, so about double her age, but they get along really well. This little one, she likes to be like cuddled and kissed and stuff. Chase, the boy, like, I'll just go ahead and bring him up. But first I want to show you guys what I mean with this stuffed animal. Like, you can straight up see this is where she bites it. It's kind of like got an indent on the head from where she chews on it. But she just kind of latches her face onto the animal and just kind of massages it. It's really crusty now because she chews on it all the time. So I'm gonna get my boy. He's actually like laying behind me. As soon as he realized that Indy was getting attention, he brought himself up here. Okay, so this is my boy Chase. Like I said, he's 3 years old. We got him when he was 4 months old. Andy is actually currently down there latched onto her squirrel that I just put down. But yeah, this is Chase. He's got a kind of like a teenage boy kind of personality still, where he likes attention, but like if you go to like kiss him and stuff, he kind of pulls away. But you can tell that deep down he really likes the attention. Indy is actually over here doing that thing I was telling you guys about. Yeah, so Chase, he's really chill and laid back. He is very protective over everybody. Like if people are playing around and he thinks it's like a little bit too aggressive, he will like step in front of the person that's, I don't know, the bad person. He'll just like step in front of whoever he thinks is the bad one, and he will like try to protect the other one, even though it's like all playful. He doesn't like, he's never attacked anybody or anything, but you can just tell that he's got like a protective side. He's also a decent listener. Like earlier I dropped some food and I said leave it, and he just walked away. They always like uncover me if I'm comfortable cuddled up in the blankets and they want in that blanket. They will have no problem pulling the blanket off of me and taking it so that they can go under, which, like, again, I don't really have a problem with it. Like, I think it's kind of cute. It's just like anything that really shows their personality, I think is really cute. He never kisses me. That was weird. Maybe I smell funny. So Indy, as you guys can probably tell, her favorite toys are the stuffed animals. Chase's favorite toys are balls, like rubber balls. They're like almost like a beach ball, but they're meant for dogs. They're tiny. Those are his favorite toys. He loves to play with Indy. Like, they love to wrestle back and forth, and he's really gentle actually. Like, when they play fight, he's very gentle. When I tell them or ask them if they want food, they usually go nuts. I meant to record it for this video, but I forgot. But they will like start dancing and running in circles and everything. And yeah, so that's basically it for this update on the dogs. I just wanted to kind of get them on camera and show you guys how big they've gotten and let you guys know everything that's going on. So thank you guys so much for checking out this video. If you guys want to see Indy and Chase on Instagram, they do have an Instagram account that they share. You can go and find Chase the Boston on Instagram and check out their pictures. And make sure that you subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and you can keep up with all of my future video uploads. And with all that being said, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video very soon.